我叫 Alex， 我是美食专科医生。今天在我旁边是 Kate。Kate， 你今天为什么来 ？Why are you here today, Kate?
I have some pain in my back, and this comes from years of lifting. I hadn't really had, I've been lifting for 8 years, but recently I've started feeling, no matter how much I stretch, I feel a bit rigid on my back. And I've tried everything, including getting a massage, but it's not effective. Yeah.
All right. Well, so you're here today to try.
Yeah, I found out about ChiroCare through a friend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, welcome. You said you've been going for 8 years.
8 years, yeah.
You look very, very strong.
Thank you.
So, 我们刚刚做完身体检查，因此，所以我们可以开始治疗。来吧。Okay, so Kate, you actually have a leg length imbalance here as well. Your right leg is actually a bit longer, quite a bit longer.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
No, it's usually you don't really notice it that much, but I can see that you have a little bit of rotation in the pelvis here as well. So we'll try to correct this as well.
Okay.
Breathe in and breathe out. Good.
Oh.
Very good. You alive? Are you sure?
Yeah.
It doesn't sound very convincing, to be honest.
I was like...
And out. Great. Very good. So relax, breathe in and out. Good. Very good.
Good.
And out. Good. Sorry, relax. So this one you can just relax on, okay? So, good. Very good.
Wow, that one was so good.
Yeah. All right, relax. Is there any sore? Or it's okay? Yeah. I find that most people are quite sore in this area, actually.
I walk a lot as well.
Yeah. Walk a lot. Especially you just got a new dog as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we'll show that to the viewers at the end.
Yes, her name is Kenya.
Kenya. Breath out, right? So she and out. Good. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, take a deep breath in and out. Good.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Good. Good. 准备好打包扎了吗? Are you ready for the 打包扎?
Do we?
对，好，来吧 ，Let's go.
You good? All right.
All right, you ready? Breathe in and breathe out. Good.
Wow. What was that?
Damn. That was a dabao jab. That was a big bang. Relax. You okay?
I didn't even know I needed that. It's like it just... How long is my neck? Is it up to here?
Pretty much my height now.
That was relaxing.
So relax. Okay. 治疗结束了 and now we have a new friend with us here as well.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel much better. I feel taller. I can now stand upright. Because when I came here, I was feeling so much pain in my back, so I was kind of slanting. But I feel good now. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for coming in, and thank you, Kenya, for also coming, for letting us borrow your owner for a little while.
Yeah.
我叫 Alex， 我跟Kate 在 ChiroCare 开了康，下次见，再见，拜拜。
谢谢。